David, our trip isn't happening, is it? Mrs. Piggy Bank is totally empty. Not even one tiny coin.
Oh boy!
We didn't buy anything that big, did we? We are supposed to save for our trip. How did this even happen?
Well, boys, I can tell you exactly how it happened.
Mrs. Piggy Bank? You can talk?
Yes, dears. And before you panic, no, I didn't eat your savings. Something else did.
Oh my gosh!
Then, what happened to our money?
Let me show you. Money doesn't disappear. It moves. And every time you spent just a tiny bit on something small, those tiny bits added up. That's why your savings shrank without you noticing.
So it's our fault?
Not your fault, my dear. You simply didn't understand the difference between wants and needs.
Aha!
But don't worry, I'm here to teach you.
What's the difference?
Needs are the things you must have to live and grow. Needs include food and water to stay alive, clothes to stay warm and healthy, a home for safety and rest, medicine when you're sick, school supplies to learn and grow. These are your foundation. Without these, nothing else works.
Aha!
So, needs are like level 1 in a video game? You can't play the rest without them?
Exactly, Dennis. Needs always come first. Wants are the fun extras that make life exciting, but you can live without them.
Okay.
Toys, video games, fun snacks, fancy shoes you already have a pair of, trending things you only want because others have them.
So, these are bonuses?
Yes, they're wonderful, but they shouldn't come before your needs and savings.
What?
If you spend on wants first, poof, no more savings.
Oh boy!
But if you follow this order, needs, savings, wants, your money starts to grow instead of disappearing.
So, we put savings before wants?
Exactly. A little planning makes a big difference. But here's the tricky part. Not all wants are bad. Some wants can actually help you save time, learn more, or improve your life.
Huh?
These are smart wants, something that we will call assets in the future episodes.
You got me confused now.
Yes. For example, imagine you want a bicycle. At first, it's a fun extra, a want. But then you realize it saves time traveling to school. That gives you more time to study or play. Suddenly, that want is helping to improve your life. It's like a little asset.
Aha!
Oh, so it's okay to spend on some things if they help us grow or save time?
Exactly. But be careful. Not every purchase works like that.
So if I buy that giant candy machine, that could help me concentrate on homework?
Nice try, Dennis. That wouldn't help you grow. It would just take your money. That's what we call a liability, something that costs you, repeatedly. But don't worry. Next episode, you'll meet asset and liability themselves. So remember, needs come first, then savings, then wants. And some wants can even become helpful assets if they improve your life.
Sounds like we have a very smart piggy bank. Can't wait to meet those new money friends, asset and liability.
Actually, one of them was here just a moment ago.
What? Another intruder? Did you see who it was? Write to us if you did, and you might win our book. See you next time, and keep kidding around with cash.
Piggy bank, bank smash, clink, clank, crash, the brothers in a flash.